Hey Nathan, Tom here. I'm looking at your question on Facebook about the affiliate issue. How can I manually assign a lead to an affiliate referrer? That's a tough one because it can't be done. So I created created your profile, just a fake profile, and I hope that the email is not correct. And if I guessed it right, wow, good for me. So you can see that referring affiliate is well, you can't really edit that field. However, you can do something else. You can go to the products. Let me just pause this recording for a second. So right now I'm in products, analytics, transactions, and I can click on a transaction. And I can go to affiliates. Yeah, this transaction had no affiliate. However, I can edit the transaction and search and add an affiliate. So you, to the best of my knowledge, you cannot manually assign an affiliate, but you can manually assign a transaction to an affiliate, and that might help you. However, if you have a lot of them, that can be quite time consuming. Okay. If you have any other questions, please let me know.